Take a ride in 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, remote trunk release, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.